In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a document library in SharePoint Online. Whether you're tidying up your SharePoint environment or simply removing unused libraries, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together so you can confidently manage your document libraries. First, you'll need to navigate to your SharePoint site. This is the starting point for the entire process. If you're already familiar with your site setup, this should be as simple as logging in. Once you're there, head over to the site contents. Depending on your site's layout, you might find the site contents link right on the home page or in the left navigation panel. The site contents page is essentially a comprehensive list of all the components housed on your site, including lists, libraries, and apps, making it the ideal spot to locate the document library you want to delete. Alternatively, if you already know exactly which library you want to remove, you can enter it directly. Just open the library and then proceed to its settings for more options. If you're in the site contents view, visually scan the list for the library you no longer need. Once you spot the library, hover over it, and you'll notice an ellipsis, the three-dot icon, appearing beside it. This icon is your gateway to additional options, including the settings necessary for our task. You can click on these ellipses or directly on the library's name to open its settings. When you find yourself in the library settings area, you'll need to do a bit of scrolling. Aim to reach the Permissions and Management section. This area governs who can access the library and the potential actions you can undertake. It's crucial to always comprehend the full implications of changes made here, especially deletions, as they are typically irreversible unless specific retention policies are set up. Within the Permissions and Management section, you'll locate the option labeled Delete this document library. This link could lead to an action with serious consequences, so ensure that you've selected the correct library before advancing. Upon clicking, a prompt is going to pop up, asking you to confirm your action. This final confirmation step is in place to prevent accidental deletions, something that can occasionally happen in busy work environments. If you're confident and ready to go on, click OK or Delete to finalize the removal. And just like that, you have successfully deleted a document library within your SharePoint Online site. It's important to remember that after deletion, the library and all its contents are permanently removed unless you have enabled any specific retention settings that provide a grace period for recovery. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need more assistance with SharePoint tasks.